Hi guys, it's Ollie and this is a new video and it's of me riding my bike on a massive long journey, so I'll let you enjoy. Bye.
I don't actually know where we're going yet. I might turn right down here, but I'm not actually sure. I don't know what's going on. Should I go up and then left? Sorry, that's my brakes. I could go up there. Should I? No, that'd be boring. I think, guys, we're going to keep on going up there. And then we're going to go... Well, we could go there, but then I'd have to carry up that massive fucking bridge thing, which I don't really want to do. So, looks like we're going up here. I could go left or right. Left or right. I'm going to go right up here. And then I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, more bikers. Biker friends. Hello, you'd get smoked any day. Bollocks. We got it running on the old one. Let's see what we can get up to 100. This isn't the fastest mode, but I'm going uphill, so I'm literally just cruising. I'm not pedaling that fast. Look at these houses, they're quite nice. This is actually, I think this is Castle Park Green, but I'm not sure. But it's really nice. Big Ratty Johnny, Madiola, body shit, that caller. Look up. We're just gonna roll. Oh, should I pedal? Yeah, I'll pedal a little bit. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're wondering, this is in kilometres an hour, not miles an hour, but yeah. I'm wondering if I should ride on the road up here. I probably will, but because it's a main road, I'm gonna have to end the video and then I'll give you an update later. But yeah, I'm gonna go up this main road now. So bye bye. Hi guys, I'm back now. I've been all through Barnt Green, which took quite a while, but it should do if it's taking so long. But we're just going down this little trail. It's quite nice actually. There's swans back there, and then there's a bit of a flood down here. I'll show you in a minute.
Thank you all so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.